how to fix Wio Bank payment / transfer failed error. If you're having any kinds of transactions errors, you might want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is actually connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of transaction errors if you are connected to a network that is actually working. However, if you are still facing problems, you might want to navigate yourself to the Wio application, tap and hold on to it and tap on app info. Tap and storage in cache, and here you'll see an option to clear your cache and clear your storage. You want to do both of these options over here. After that, you shouldn't be facing any problems the next time you open the app. However, if you do face any kinds of problems still, you might want to uninstall the application and install it again from the Play Store. Might be your device's fault and not the app itself, so you might want to restart your device once and open the app again too as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.